Welcome to the Furman University Library Finding the Full Text of an Article tutorial. Finding the full text of an article is easy, once you know what to look for. Let's begin by searching the multidisciplinary database Academic Search Premier, one of our most used and popular databases. Let's conduct a search for LGBTQIA. Once we review our results, we need to look carefully for clues to help us figure out if the full text is available, and if it is, where it's available. But what are the clues we should be looking for? The first clue to look for are the icons that show the full text is available right in the database we are searching. You might see an icon for the HTML full text, PDF full text, or linked full text. Where the icons display on the page will vary. The icons will appear on the last line when you are looking at the results list. But when you are looking at the detailed record, the icons will appear out to the left. Sometimes you'll see both HTML and PDF full text. When you have a choice between HTML and PDF, always choose the PDF. It looks like the original print article and includes page numbers, which make it easier to cite, and it is more accurate than the HTML copy. The second clue to look for is the purple full text button. This is a powerful tool that helps you locate the article when there are no icons to access the full text. You should use the button in this way: to see if the article is available online in a different database, to request that a copy be sent to you, or to check the catalog to see if the article is available in a print-based format in the library. Let's click the full text button and check out our first scenario. Is this article available online in a different database? If it is available, you'll see a page that lists the different database names along with a range of dates right next to the name. In this instance, the button acts as a bridge from the database we are searching, Academic Search Premier, to all the other full-text databases that have the article. We can see that this article is available online in multiple different databases. Pay attention to the date ranges that are listed. Be sure to choose an option that includes the date for your article. If you don't remember the date, just look at the top of the page where you'll see the citation for your article. I'll pick the first option listed that includes the date that I need. Keep in mind that the number of options you get varies. When I click on the link, we are taken to the article. Sometimes when you use the purple button, your options include a link that says Request Full Text from Get It Now for students. Do not select the Science Direct link. You do not have access to this service. Clicking the Get It Now link for students takes you to a screen where you have to fill in your Furman address and you have to agree to the terms and conditions. The article will be emailed to you. They typically arrive in about 8 hours, but sometimes take more or less time to be sent to you. But you must use your Furman email address. Get It Now is a service that the library funds to buy individual articles that are not in our collections. Be sure to request articles only once and save them on your computer. We don't want to pay for the same article more than once. Now let's look at our second scenario. Your article is not available in the database you are searching, and it's not available in another database or through Get It Now. You know this because when you click the full text button, no full text options are presented. Instead, you are presented with 3 options, but which to choose? Request a copy, check the library catalog, or export citation to RefWorks. Well, the first 2 options are the only ones that actually function to connect you with the article, so let's focus on those. You can learn about exporting citations another time. Clicking Request a Copy is the way to ask someone else to get the article for you. We have a special department in the library dedicated to getting not just articles, but books, scores, DVDs, and other items that you might need from other libraries. This department is called Interlibrary Loan, usually called ILL. The ILL department coordinates several services. 2 of the most important are Interlibrary Loan and Scan and Deliver. The staff are like clever detectives working hard to get you what you need. Just request a copy and the ILL staff will find another library that has the article and can send it to us electronically. Keep in mind that using ILL takes some time. It's not an overnight process, and it is not as quick as Get It Now. If you would like to learn more about how to place an interlibrary loan, check out our ILL tutorial. The link to that video is available in the description. But what about the second option that's listed? Check for this in the library catalog. If someone is going to get your article for you, why wouldn't you let them? Well, sometimes you just want to do it yourself, when you want to do it. You can check the library catalog to see if we have your article in a print-based format, either in current or bound periodicals, microfiche or microfilm. Instead of waiting for the interlibrary loan department to go get your request, you can go get the item yourself to read, scan, or photocopy. If you'd rather skip this step, just request a copy. The ILL department scans articles that are in our libraries, as well as requests articles that we don't have. Let's review the clues for finding the full text of an article. Clue number 1. Look for the HTML, PDF, or linked full text icons. Clue number 2. If there are no full text icons, click the purple full text button. Use the button to see if the article is available online in another database or through the service called Get It Now. Request a copy through interlibrary loan, or to check the catalog to see if the article is in the library in a print-based format. A few things to keep in mind. Where the full text button displays on your screen will vary from database to database. In our example, we looked at Academic Search Premier, a database published by EBSCO. The button will be in different spots in databases published by other vendors like ProQuest or Web of Science. So pay attention and get in the habit of viewing the entire screen. One final clue: never buy an article. If you ever face a screen that requests payment for the article, stop. Always consult a librarian first. This concludes our tutorial on finding the full text of an article in the Furman libraries. Remember, even if you miss all the clues, someone at the Research Assistance Desk is ready to help you. Call, email, chat, or make an appointment.